You think your cat is random. He's not. That look? Surveillance. The object on your counter? A controlled experiment. The midnight sprint across your house? Territory rehearsal. On this channel, we break down what cats are actually doing. The ignoring you. The slow blink. The sudden ankle attack. It's not mood. It's strategy. Sometimes we use Henry as evidence. He denies everything. If you live with a cat, you are not the owner. You are the subject. If you suspect your cat knows more than they're letting on, subscribe. We're documenting everything. Stay observant. The investigation continues.